It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.